Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the vegetable drawer frame on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new vegetable drawer frame for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the doors. Then, pull one drawer forward. The glass sits in a slot at the front of the cover. To remove, reach into the drawer and lift up on the glass while sliding it towards the back of the refrigerator compartment. Then, lift up and out. Pull the drawers out so that they are fully extended, tilt up and pull forward to remove. Then, lift the frame up and pull it away from the retaining slots. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the locking tabs holding the vegetable pan dampers in place. If you need to purchase a new vegetable drawer frame, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the dampers to the new frame and press until they snap back into place. Align the crisper frame to the retaining slots on the refrigerator housing and set into place. Reinstall the drawers by aligning and then pushing back into place. To install, set the glass on the frame and slide it towards the front of the refrigerator until it falls into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.